Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Khairul Adib. I'm from section 83, and today I would like to talk about quick tips for successful exam preparation. So, this is the tips for students for preparing for their examination. Moving on to the first point, which is give yourself enough time to study. So, first one is make the study schedules. As a student, you have to organize your timetable. Well. So by that, you have to you have to organize your time. At least you have to study at least 2 or 1 hours per day for your brain to practice to memorize something very well. So the next point is do not leave anything for the last minute. Okay, so most of the students love to study last minute, so I think it is not the best way for them to do that, because at a certain point our brain cannot squeeze all information at one time, so you will not memorize all the information that you want to memorize. And please avoid studying last minute, because it will give you bad effect on your exam. So moving on to the next point. Practice on all exams. Okay, this is the most common thing that has been told by most of the teachers and lecturers. So practice on all exams. Okay, it will help you see the format and formulation of the questions. Okay. So by doing on all exams, most of the students will memorize the answer later on, because some of the paper they will take the question from the past year questions. So if you're doing many whole exams exercises, I think it is the best way for you to score in your examination. And so me myself have experienced this before. Last 2 years in my SPM. So 1 or 2 months before my examination, I used to do many past year exams questions, and alhamdulillah, I can answer all the questions in the SPM. So practice on all exams is one of the quick tips for successful exam preparation. So the third point is organize study group with friends. Okay. Organize study group with friends. Okay. Study groups will give you a good effect on your exam. So in the study group, you have to organize. You have to exchange opinion with your friends, such as if you're asking, you have to ask them questions about the topic that you've been discussing for, and you're asking them a question. If they can't answer your questions, you have to explain to them and explain to them detailedly about the answer. So by that, they will understand more about your answer and your questions. So next point is focus on the topic. Okay. Students have to focus on the topic, which means that, example, if you're studying on account, so means that you have to focus on the topic itself. So means that you don't have to bring up mathematics subjects, English subject, Bahasa subject on the study groups. So focus on the topic and share your opinions with your friends. It is the main point in the study groups. Moving on to the next point. Okay. Number 4, plan the day of your exams. Okay. Check all the rules and requirements. Means that you have to check all the rules and the requirements. Mean what kind of attire have you wear, and check all the rules, requirements. Okay, the rules and the requirements means that you have to check the rules and requirements. Means you have to take care of your attire to fit the examination hall rules, and check all your tools like calculator, pen, pencil, correction tape, highlighter, and many more. So by that you don't have to borrow from your friend inside the examination hall, and it will avoid you from getting caught from the lecturers, and they will say that to you that you were cheating in the examination hall, but you're not. Okay, so the next one is plan your route and the time it may take you to reach your destination. Okay, so as a KPTM Bangi student, me myself, I'm staying at the hostel, different area from the campus. So let's say if I have examination at 10 o'clock in the morning, so I will wake up at 8 in the morning and prepare myself, and around 9 o'clock I will go to the campus to prepare myself for the examination, usually by taking a bus that is prepared by KPTM Bangi. And I think it is the best way for you to plan your route before your examination, because time management is important in students' life. So if you plan your route and the time well, I think you should have no problem in your examination day. On your examination day, sorry. Moving on to the last point, stay well rested and fit. Okay. Get enough sleep the day before examination. Okay. Humans need minimum 8 hours sleep per day. So let's say if you're having an examination on the next day, it means that you have to get more sleep the day before the examination, because your brain have to rest well for you to for the examination upcoming. And usually many students in KPTM Bangi usually sleeps at 12 and above, so I think that is not suitable time for you to sleep before the day before your examination. So rest, stay well rest is important for students before exam. Next point is drink plenty of water. Minimum water have a human to drink is minimum is 8 glasses of plain water per day. So for a student, I think you have to drink more than 8 glasses of plain water per day for you to rehydrate yourself on your daily basis. Because nowadays the weather is very hot, and the heat is outstanding. So drink plenty of water to give your body energy and rehydrate yourself. So the last point is snacking on healthy food. Snacking on healthy food such as you have to avoid eating junk foods, and eat more food that have a lot of vitamins A, B, C, and protein. It will help. It will give a good effect to your brain and your body for upcoming exam. So I think that's it for my quick tips for successful exam preparation. So I hope that students that have watched this may follow my tips, and inshallah you will score in your exam. And I wish you all the best and good luck on your finals.